Now we are going to write a very basic program in C++ that is called the Hello World program, and I have installed Visual Studio. So here just follow my steps. I click on File, New, Project, and here we are going to build a Windows 32 console application. Okay, and click on the next, because do not need any ready-made code. We just want to add our own code, so we will create an empty project here and finish. So here we are. So in the Solution Explorer, we will create a new file, that is a C++ file. Click here and click on add. So this is our file, and here we will write the very first code of C++. So here first of all we include IOStream. So you can say IOStream is a code file that we need to include in the start, because this header will allow us to print something on the console screen. So next we will use namespace std. What is a namespace? I will tell you the detail of namespace in later lectures. Right now just add this line as well. Next we add int main, curly bracket starts and curly brackets end, and here I add return 0. So just for now, just take this code for granted that we have to write this code anyway in the start. And this is a main function, and this function turns integer, so I have returned 0 here. And what is the function, what is the return type, that are the thing that you will cover in the later lectures. Right now just take this as it is, and when you compile the program you will find the control here. Control will come here, and whatever you want to do you will type the code here. So right now we just want to print a message on the console screen. So for printing we have the syntax of cout. Cout is a printing function, and after cout we have to add less than operators 2 times, and then you will write a double quote 2 times, and then you will write a semicolon. And semicolon is actually something that you have to add after every statement. So whatever you write inside these double quotes, it will be printed on the screen. Like I write hello world, so it will be printed on the screen. So this is it, the very first program of C++, and let's compile this program from the debug menu. I could click on the Control plus F5, and here you are with the console screen. This is hello world, and this press any key to continue. This is a ready-made the pre-written statement. And if you want to add the new line after hello world, you can simply add the syntax here of I have to write less than operators 2 times, and then I write end line. So end line will add a new line after this string. So this is the hello world. Thank you for watching this